Welcome to another video from Gradelink websites. In this video, we're going to go through how you can update a drop-down on a particular section on a page. So first thing to realize is that typically when you have a drop-down, we'll have done that through a particular function on the website called Gravity Forms. So this is from the form builder. First thing we want to do if we want to edit a particular form on a web page is we can take a look at where it's pulling from. So if we enable the visual builder for a certain page where that form is embedded, then we can click on the text module and view the module settings. And here's what we're looking at. The forms are always going to be embedded using a short code that looks something like this. Sometimes they're a bit shorter, but it usually starts with an open bracket and ends in a closed bracket. The relevant information we're looking for is Gravity Form ID number 2, so we know which form ID it is. Now the next step is, now that we know which form it is, we can actually exit the page builder. And we're going to navigate over to the website dashboard and click on Forms. I already had this open in another tab. So we're going to look for Gravity ID number 2. Now the one that's embedded there is General Donation Form. That's ID number 2. You can see in the ID column here. So we're going to hover over this and click on Edit. If we want to edit any of the fields on the form, we could do that. But if you just want to add a particular drop down, then you'll find the drop down field that's relevant. So it looks like we actually have a blank drop down here, so we're going to just delete that. It's not relevant to anything. And we're going to click on Fund Event Camp and that field, and then in the right hand side panel click on Edit Choices. If we want to add something for that, then like international student payments as another option, we could go ahead and do that. And if you wish to change the order of any of these, you can drag and drop the option. I'm just going to leave it at the bottom for now, and the only other step is to click Save Form. Once you've done that, you can actually go to the page, refresh it, and make sure that you can see the Fund Event Camp, and indeed International Student Payments is now an option on that drop-down. That's all there is to it. If you have any additional questions, please reach out to Gradelink website support.